One of the things we believe at Ambition Athletics is a workout shouldn't break you, it should build you up and make you better. So when you leave the gym, you're always going to feel better than when you walked in. You're not going to feel like you just got run over by a truck. And this is really the core in what it takes to become better every day. When I first started the gym, I never had any idea of how fulfilling it would be to have all my friends here all the time and how amazing it would be to see everyone make so much progress in so many different parts of their lives. We've hired coaches who are fresh but had a passion to learn. And everyone here has really grown together toward the same direction and really working toward that same goal of just creating the best environment for all people.
Our clients range from 12 years old to 80 years old, and we are able to accommodate all of those people. And some of them are starting out brand new. Some of them have played sports, have been athletes their entire lives, and we're happy to make our programs fit all of those people so that they leave here better.
When I first opened the gym, I was kind of an idealist about training in general, but what I've come to appreciate more and more is the awesome community that we've built here. I find that there are people that I see every week that when I go away on a vacation or go away for work or something like that, I find myself missing those people. So we really have become into this like tight-knit little community that I just can't imagine life without. We believe the key to building a well-rounded athlete or person lies in having a smooth blend of strength, power, and flexibility training. And by blending all of these different things together, it yields the most effective training program that is also fun and safe for everybody. It's really about making your life better. Perfect.